As human, we need food. Food provides energy and nerve.
Yes, Harlan. Go ahead. Keep going. Necessary.
Necessary.
Nutrients necessary.
Nutrients for growth and to maintain health.
Great job. Read the last one.
Poor health can result from both inadequate.
Yes, inadequate.
And
excessive.
Good. Levels of nutrients intake.
Thank you. Great job, Alonso. Now, just to give you guys more information, it's just nutrients are substances in your food that your body needs. Okay. Thank you, Ariana, for coming in and going automatically do that. Do now. Thank you. So, let's go to Cecil. Please read this slide for me, please. Cecil. Mr. 3.
Nutrient is the study of nutrients and how your body uses them. What influence your nutrient? What influence your nutrient?
Nutrition. Great job. So, if you can type into the chat, what do you think influences your nutrition? Go ahead and type that into the chat and tell me. What do you think influences your nutrition? Thank you, Cecil, for reading. Okay, I got one. I know it's like 20 kids in here. Again, so for an example, let me just help you guys out a little bit. So, what influences your nutrition? So, for example, you can say, well, for me, for example, so this morning I did not eat breakfast, but to say if I did eat breakfast, I would have had a granola bar or some cereal. And that will give me the energy I need to keep going, right? Right. So, just to give you guys an example, now, tell me, what do you guys think? Stay healthy, it's not junk food. I need a few more people before we move on. Again, the question is, what influences your nutrition? Okay, Kalani. Oh, snap. So, moving on. There are 6 classes of nutrients, okay? 6 classes. Ashley, can you please read the 6 classes of nutrients, please? Thank you. Now, the word is carbohydrates, all right? Break the word down, carbohydrates, all right? Let's go with my boy Kalani. Please read the slide.
Carbohydrates are sugars and starches that appear naturally in food. One half to 2/3 of your daily nutrients should come from carbohydrates.
Great job, Kalani. Next, we have fiber. Let's go ahead and have Josiah read this, please. Thank you. Josiah. Okay, let's go with Harlan. Please read this for me, buddy.
Fiber is the fruit, vegetable,
Great job. Thank you. Ooh, let's go ahead and get let me get another lit. Haley, please read protein, please.
Proteins are nutrients your body uses to build, repair, and maintain cells and tissues.
Beautiful. Thank you so much. Oh, guess what time it is? It's time to get moving. Let's get it. So, you see the person on the screen, right? So today we're going to do mountain climbers, okay? So, let me tell you how to rep a mountain climber, okay? So, when you're in this position, as you see on the screen, you see that it's almost like a push-up, but you're moving your knees up to your arms, okay? So, you'll go, so you'll bring one leg up, and then the other leg, so it's 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, and so on, okay? Does that sound good? We got it? Thumbs up? All right, so, it's time to get moving. Let's go ahead and get it popping, y'all. Mr. Murphy's with y'all the whole way. Because guess what? It's no slacking in 5th grade, all right? No slacking. Here we go. Mr. Gam Girl, please turn your screen on gallery view and make sure everybody is participating for me, please. Here we go. Mountain climbers for 1 minute. Ready? Whew, go. Woo. Ow! Feel the burn. Whew, it's only been 30 seconds. I'm already sweating, y'all. Whew. Woo. I ain't done mountain climbers in a long time. Oh, don't be cheating on me now. Y'all better pick them knees up. Okay. There we go. Woo, 15 seconds left, y'all. I gotta do this 5 more times after this. 10 seconds, y'all. 10 seconds. Look, Mr. Murphy struggles too. All right? 2, 1. Listen, if you're not sweating after that, that means you wasn't working hard enough. Whew. All right, real quick before we move on. Whew. Let's take a heat check. Whew. Whew. Yes, Samaya, I got tired. Yes, I did. Whew. Okay, so. Whew. Whew. Okay. Whew. All right, Mr. Murphy getting old now. Jeez. So, looks like everybody's participating. Great job. Let's keep it moving. All right. Facts. Let's talk about facts. Whew. Let's see. Let's go with Kaylin. Please read facts, please.
Fats are an important part of good nutrition.
Saturated.
Saturated fat is fat that is solid at room temperature. Bad fat, unsaturated fat is fat that is liquid at room temperature.
Thank you so much, Kaylin. I appreciate you for reading that. Now, vitamins and minerals. All right. Let's go ahead and get Norman. Norman, let's go ahead and read the vitamins and minerals for me.